Selecting columns in Visual Studio Code. Does Visual Studio Code support selecting columns of text? I have not yet found this feature, so I am wondering if it is hidden somewhere. I am familiar with holding down Alt while selecting text, but Visual Studio Code does not behave this way.
In Visual Studio Code version 1.0, you can now select columns by holding down Shift+Alt, then click and drag with the mouse. This can also be done using just the keyboard by holding down Ctrl+Shift+Alt and then using the arrow keys. On latest version of Xcode, 1.45.1, you can achieve same by Shift+Alt itself, verified in May 2020.
On macOS, Shift plus Option and mouse, or Shift plus Option plus CMD and arrow keys. Screenshot.
For the ones who have tried to use the Alt key plus mouse selection, and failed, try to click the menu selection as follows. Menu bar is greater than selection is greater than, click, switch to Ctrl plus click for multi-cursor. This will change the multi-selection with Control key and mouse as well as enable the selection column selection with the Alt key plus mouse selection.
I just published an extension for Visual Studio Code that converts a multi-line selection into a column selection. It mimics TextMate's toggle column selection command and serves as an alternate approach to Visual Studio Code's Command Option Shift plus arrow keys that I find more natural to work with.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.